So in this video, we're going to do a composition of functions. Now, I don't think I picked necessarily the most difficult problem, but I thought this one might be a little tricky to write out. So they ask us to find f compose g. If you want to write that as f of g of x, you can write it that way. Okay, so I'm going to be taking g of x and putting it in right there. So it's going to be f, f of g of x equals 1 over x minus 9, x minus 9 plus 3. Now, that's what it is when you put that g of x into f of x, but we don't really want to leave it that way. We're going to have to simplify it. Now, generally in these situations where you've got it's called like a complex fraction, we want to try to get it so that it's just one rational expression, like a polynomial in the numerator and a polynomial in the denominator. That's what we're kind of trying to go for. So what I would do is I would put this over 1, multiply by x minus 9 to get a common denominator. Okay, so in the numerator I just have 1, that's helpful. And then in the denominator I have 1 over x minus 9 plus 3x minus 27, I'm distributing the 3, over x minus 9. So now I have common denominators. I can write it as 1 over, so if you'll let me combine the numerators there, this 1 and the minus 27 is going to make minus 26. So I'm going to have 3x minus 26 over x minus 9. Now, one thing about these, when you have it like that, it's important that you know which is the thicker bar. Where's the division in the big picture, And so this is the thick bar. Here's my numerator. And down here, this is my denominator. Okay, how do we simplify that? We're just going to invert and multiply, multiply by the reciprocal. So this is just going to equal 1 times x minus 9 over 3x minus 26. We don't need the 1, so we'll just put, x minus 9 over 3x minus 26. Now, I believe this problem, I don't have it typed here, but I believe they want you to do the other way as well. So let's look then at, I'll just do it over here on the left, not what I normally do, but let's do g of f of x. Okay, so we're going to take f of x then and put it in here. So it's going to be a very similar process. It's going to be 1 over x plus 3 minus 9. So you could practice this on your own if you wanted to. See if you get it right. Stop the video. See if you get it right. Okay. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to get a common denominator here. So I'm going to have 1 in the numerator. Here's my thick bar. Over 1 minus 9x minus 27 over x plus 3. And then simplifying that, we're going to have, move it, negative 9x minus 26 over x plus 3. Oops, all that's under 1, but then you're going to invert and, do the reciprocal thing. So x plus 3 over negative 9x minus 26. So just another example. Okay,